Ever look at Credit Karma and feel like kind of being lied to? Well, you kinda are. That score on your phone is like a free sample at the gas station. And that pizza or that burrito hits your nose, the dopamine hits, just like that credit score that you're looking at on your cell phone. Initially, it makes you feel good, but long term, it's not something you really wanna put a lot of stock into. By the way, I'm John Hudson. You can call me Huddy, some people call me Unk. Whatever fits for you. I've been rocking and rolling in mortgages and credit since 1999, so over half my life. Then the thing is, well, I've got one name. It seems like I have 40 credit scores. Just depends on who you're asking, so what's going on with that? Something you need to know is that auto lenders, mortgage lenders, depending on what bank you're talking to, they're all using something different. The whole Credit Karma thing, I feel like it's something to make you feel better about your credit. In fact, to feel so good that it kind of makes you want to apply for more credit cards. The real one that lenders use, at least probably 90% of them, that's called a FICO credit score. Unfortunately, it's going to be lower or typically lower than what one of your apps say. On top of that, if you're applying for a mortgage, we use a completely different FICO algorithm than what you're seeing online or what your credit card companies use. It's the oldest version of FICO out there. It is FICO 2, FICO 4, and FICO 5. We use a different algorithm within each of the credit bureaus, determining your FICO score. And guess what? This is gonna hit you harder and be lower than Credit Karma. So typically, first thing people think about is, this guy's trying to scam me. You have to understand, it's not a scam, it's a different scoreboard. Speaking of scoreboards, take a look at myfico.com. Yes, you have to pay for it if you want to know what your mortgage credit scores are and you really don't want to talk to a guy like me. But I think they give you Equifax for free. Knowing which score is being used isn't about ego. It's about being prepared. People ask me all the time, how do I know? How do I know? How do I know? You just need to ask. For example, if you're getting a car loan, say through your credit union, you could ask them, hey, who do you pull through and what scoring system do you use? Is it FICO or is it Vantage? That's getting prepared so you know more what to expect when that bank is gonna pull your credit. Real quick on Credit Karma, they're using something called a Vantage credit score, which is a credit scoring system invented by the credit bureaus to compete with a company called FICO. I know it's 2025, but are we showing up for a job interview in our pajamas? Then you wouldn't walk into a bank or talk to a mortgage guy thinking that Credit Karma is gospel. Now that you know which credit score really matters, especially in the world of lending, now we need to know who controls it. Spoiler alert, there are 3 major credit bureaus and they are billion-dollar corporations. Talk about Dr. Evil, they're probably sitting in front of their TV right now stroking their cat. Let's talk about that in the next video. We'll see you there.